Have you ever looked for a scalping strategy that gives you an exact and precise entry point? I'm sure you haven't achieved good results. It's okay, because in this video I'm going to teach you a scalping strategy that gives you the most accurate entry points. So stay with me until the end of the video. First of all, you need to choose a symbol that has both high trading volume and high liquidity. It can be a symbol from the forex market, the crypto market, or even the stock market. The choice is yours. Then we need to go to the time frame. I suggest selecting the 5-minute time frame, but again the choice is yours because this strategy works well on all time frames. Now we come to the main part, adding the first indicator to the chart. To do this, go to the Indicator tab and type Macro Trend Scanner. When you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now you need to go to its settings and make the necessary changes. But be careful not to miss anything and avoid making mistakes. This indicator provides us with very clear buy and sell signals, which we are going to make the best use of it. In addition to these signals, this indicator also has two moving averages. One is called slow moving average, located above, and the other is called fast moving average, located below. When these two lines cross, the indicator generates signals for us. And if it's upwards, it gives us a buy signal. Now I tell you how to use this indicator alone, but before that, make sure you have subscribed and enabled notifications to stay informed about new videos. As you can see here, these two lines cross downwards and we can observe a sell signal. We can enter a sell trade here and place the stop loss slightly above the last swing high. When these two lines cross upwards, we see a buy signal. We can enter a buy trade here and place the stop loss slightly below the last swing low. But remember that one indicator is not always enough for strategies. To add a second indicator, we go to the Indicator tab and search for MACD. When you find it, click on it to add it to our chart. As you can see, this indicator consists of a histogram, a line, and a MACD line. To use this indicator for our strategy, we need to go into its settings and make some changes. After making these changes, we see the histogram divided into two halves by a line. One area above this line is called the buy zone and the histogram color is green. The market trend in these areas is upward and prices are increasing. The other area below this line is called the sell zone, which the market trend in these areas is downward and the histogram color has changed to red. After all these explanations, I need to tell you how to enter a trade, where to place your stop loss, and when to exit your trade. First, let's start with a buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal. Then we need to look at the MACD indicator and make sure that at this point, the market trend is upward and the histogram is green so that we can expect a price increase. For the stop loss, just find the last swing low and place our stop loss slightly below it. For take profit, it's enough to take our risk-reward ratio as 1 to 1.5. As the price approaches our take profit level, we can exit the trade or wait for it to close with profit. For a sell order, first we need to look for a sell signal. Then we should look at the MACD indicator and make sure that at this point, the market trend is downward and the histogram is red. After that, we will realize that we have found the right entry point for the trade. Then find the last swing high for stop loss and place our stop loss slightly above it. For take profit, it's enough to take our risk-to-reward ratio as 1 to 1.5 and wait for the price to reach our take-profit level and hit the target. I have also provided some examples for you to better learn this strategy by looking at them. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and until the next video and another awesome scalping strategy, goodbye.